Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. Start by downloading the Klarna app on your phone. After logging in, use the search bar inside the Klarna app and search for Amazon. Tap on Amazon from the search results. This opens Amazon inside Klarna's in-app browser. Now shop on Amazon as you normally would. Add the items you want into your cart and continue to checkout when you are ready. Before placing the order, Klarna may show a pop-up asking if you want to create a one-time card. If you do not see the pop-up, follow the prompts inside the Klarna app to create one manually. You will now need to enter the exact total amount of your Amazon order. Make sure the amount includes shipping fees and taxes. Once confirmed, Klarna will generate a temporary digital card. This card includes a 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Copy all of these details carefully. Go back to Amazon checkout and choose to add a new payment method. Enter the Klarna one-time card details just like a normal debit or credit card. After that, place your order as usual. Amazon will process the payment using the Klarna card, and your purchase will be completed. Thanks for watching.